174775, when ready. Speedbird 779er, hold position, caution to departing Airbus A320. Altalia 202, cleared at Fiume Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 13,000. Departure on 119.725, squawk 0763. Altalia 202, read back correct. Contact ground on 121.7. Heathrow ground. Speedbird 781 with flight, ready to taxi, IFR. Speedbird 781, taxi to and hold short at runway 9er, right, via taxiway Whiskey, Alpha. Contact tower on 118.5, when ready. Speedbird 1748, hold position, caution of the traffic. Hold position, Speedbird 779er. Taxiing, hold short runway 9er, left, via taxiway Bravo, India, Alpha. Speedbird 39er, Speedbird 779er, hold position, caution to departing Airbus A319. Speedbird 130, hold position, caution to departing Airbus A319. Hold position, Speedbird 130. Heathrow ground, Speedbird 9er 18 with light, ready to taxi IFR. Speedbird 9er 18, taxi to and hold short at runway 9er, left via taxiway Kilo, Bravo, Kilo, Alpha, Juliet, Bravo, India, Alpha. Contact tower on 124.475, when ready. Speedbird 555, hold position, caution to departing Airbus A319. Heathrow ground, KLM 1931, taxi to the gate. KLM 1931, taxi to gate 425, use taxiway Alpha, Juliet, Bravo, Uniform, Mike, Victor. Speedbird 779er, hold position, caution to flight 757, on final. Speedbird 130, hold position, caution to flight 757, on final. Speedbird 1748, continue taxi. Speedbird 555, hold position, caution to flight 757, on final. Heathrow ground, Altalia 202, with Mike, ready to taxi IFR. Altalia 202, taxi to and hold short at runway 9er, right, using taxiway Quebec Alpha. Contact tower on 118.5, when ready. KLM 1931, hold position, caution of the traffic. Heathrow ground, PMI 3210, request taxi to the gate. PMI 3210, taxi to gate 305, via taxiway Bravo. Taxiing to gate 425, via taxiway Alpha, Juliet, Bravo, Uniform, Mike, Victor. KLM 1931. Taxiing to gate 305, via taxiway Bravo, PMI 3210. Taxiing hold short, runway 9er, right, using taxiway Quebec Alpha, Altalia 202. Heathrow ground, Midland 174, IFR to De Gaulle, ready to copy. Midland 174 is cleared at De Gaulle Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 7,000. Departure frequency is 119.725, squawk 0347. Midland 174 cleared at De Gaulle Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 7,000. Departure on 119.725, squawk 0347. Midland 174, read back correct. Contact ground on 121.7. Heathrow ground, Swiss 715, ready to copy IFR clearance. Nerignac. Swiss 715 is cleared at Nerignac Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 8,000. Departure frequency is 119.725, squawk 0011. Swiss 715 cleared at Nerignac Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 8,000. Departure on 119.725, squawk 0011. Swiss 715, read back is correct. Contact ground on 121.7 when ready to taxi. Heathrow ground, Speedbird 704, IFR to Vienna, ready to copy. Speedbird 704 is cleared at Vienna Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 9,000. Departure frequency is 119.725, squawk 0605. Speedbird 704 cleared to Vienna Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 9,000. Departure on 119.725, squawk 0605. Speedbird 704, read back correct. Contact ground on 121. 1.7. Heathrow ground, Iberia 3163, ready to copy IFR clearance to Barajas. Iberia 3163 is cleared at Barajas Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 6,000. Departure frequency is 119.725, squawk 0605. Speed bird 779er, hold position, Russian Airbus A330 on final. Speed bird 130, hold position, Russian Airbus A330 on final. Speed bird 555, hold position, Russian Airbus A330 on final. Hold position, Speed bird 555. Roger, Speed bird 1748. Detroit ground, Speed bird 903, 5 foot, ready to copy. Speed bird 903 is cleared at Frankfurt Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 1000. Departure frequency is 119.725, squawk 5112. Detroit ground, Speed bird 72, 5 foot, Anchorage, ready to copy. Speed bird 72 is cleared at Anchorage Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 6000. Departure frequency is 119.725, squawk 0317. KLM 1931, continue taxi. Heathrow ground, Luxair 90471, IFR Luxembourg, ready to copy. Luxair 90471 is cleared at Luxembourg Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 5000. Departure frequency is 119.725, squawk 7745. Speed bird 781, hold position, Russian Airbus A330 on the runway. Heathrow ground, Speed bird 704 with November, ready to taxi IFR. Speed bird 704, taxi to and hold short of runway 9er, left using taxiway Kilo, Bravo, India, Alpha. Contact tower on 124.475 when ready. Heathrow ground, PMI 184 with November, ready to taxi IFR. PMI 184, taxi to and hold short of runway 9er, right using taxiway Papa, Bravo, Quebec, Alpha. Contact tower on 118.5 when ready. Speed bird 781, hold position, Russian Airbus A321 on short final. Heathrow ground, 8955, IFR to Dubai, ready to copy. 8955 is cleared at Dubai Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 9000. Departure frequency is 119.725, squawk 0622. Heathrow ground, Midland 104, ready to copy IFR clearance to Schiphol. Midland 104 is cleared at Schiphol Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 1000. Departure frequency is 119.725, squawk 0066. Midland 104 cleared Schiphol Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 1000. Departure on 119.725, squawk 0066. Midland 104, readback is correct. Contact ground on 121.7 when ready to taxi. Heathrow ground.